Winter arrives quietly. The sun sets earlier. Your home feels colder, even under thick blankets. You sip hot drinks, turn up the heater, adjust your routines. And your cat, nothing changes. No complaints, no drama. They adapt silently. But that silence hides a truth almost every cat owner misses. A truth that affects your cat's body, mind, and emotional world, quietly, slowly, every winter. Most of us think we're protecting them. We give blankets, extra food, a cozy bed. We see no signs of struggle, no urgent meows. And that's the problem. Cats are masters at hiding discomfort. What seems like contentment can mask stress, cold, or even early health issues. If you've made it this far, your cat's silence is not consent. It's survival. Mistake 1. Overheating indoor spaces. We think a warm house is a safe house. But forced warmth isn't always comfort. Cats' natural thermoregulation is delicate. Too hot, too dry, skin dries, fur loses shine, noses crack. Solution: keep zones. Let your cat choose. Sunny window, heated pad, or cooler floor. Freedom matters. Mistake 2. Ignoring seasonal hydration. Winter air is dry. We forget water's role beyond survival. Cats often drink less in cold weather. Dehydration is silent. Dull fur, lethargy, urinary stress. Solution: fresh water, flowing fountains, wet food. Monitor intake subtly, don't wait for obvious symptoms. Mistake 3. Skipping grooming adjustments. Winter fur grows thick. We brush sporadically. Mats form. Skin suffers. Movement slows. Cats can't always reach every spot. Solution: regular grooming, gentle detangling. Even 5 minutes daily prevents discomfort you can't see. Mistake 4. Neglecting indoor exercise. Cold floors, short days, long nights. We assume cats sleep more in winter. But lack of movement creates stiffness, anxiety, and hidden weight gain. Solution: short play sessions. Use laser pointers, feather wands, or hallway sprints. Micro exercises multiple times a day. Mistake 5. Misreading hiding behavior. A cat under the bed doesn't always want solitude. It may be avoiding chill drafts, overstimulation, or early illness. We laugh it off. Typical cat. Solution: observe subtle cues, tail flicks, ear orientation, eye dilation. Adjust environment, temperature, and attention accordingly. Mistake 6. Overfeeding comfort food. We give rich, extra meals thinking warmth equals calories. Too much food, stress on kidneys, liver, and joints. The cat seems content, but physiologically, they suffer. Solution: keep portion control. Focus on nutrient-dense meals. Balance warmth with healthy weight. Mistake 7. Ignoring seasonal emotional needs. Short days, less sunlight. Cats experience seasonal mood shifts. Less energy, more lethargy, quiet stress signals. We miss it because cats mask anxiety. Solution: increase interaction, gentle petting, indoor sun spots. Adjust routines, mimic natural light with lamps if needed. Emotional winter care is real. Mistake 8. Overlooking litter box changes. Cold paws, icy floors. Some cats avoid the box. We think it's stubbornness. It's discomfort. Solution: keep boxes warm, clean, accessible. Layer soft mats. Observe patterns daily. Mistake 9. Not monitoring health trends. Silent signs: slight weight loss, dull coat, slow gait, subtle respiratory noises. Winter exaggerates minor conditions. Cats hide symptoms to survive. We see nothing until we do. And often it's late. Solution: schedule check-ins, weigh weekly, watch behaviors. Early prevention beats crisis. Winter is quiet, but your cat's suffering doesn't have to be. Small awareness, small adjustments. A cozy corner, fresh water, gentle play, observation. You can honor their silence by noticing the whispers. By winter's end, your cat is not just surviving, but thriving. If you found even one lesson useful, imagine the rest of the winter. A safe, warm, and healthy season for your companion. Comment below, have you caught yourself making any of these silent mistakes? Share your winter cat care hacks. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more insights that keep your cat safe, happy, and healthy without waiting for them to speak up.